Positive Energy Boost Meditation. Introduction with 30 seconds of deep breathing. Welcome to Feel Good Now. This quick meditation will help you boost your positive energy in just 5 minutes. Find a comfortable space and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Understanding positive energy with 1 minute of focused reflection. With your eyes closed, reflect on the importance of positive energy. It elevates our mood, improves our health, and enhances our relationships. With each breath, feel positive energy flowing through you, influencing your thoughts and emotions. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to this energy within you. Attracting positive energy with 1 minute of visualization. Imagine yourself as a magnet for positive energy. Visualize vibrant, positive experiences being drawn to you. See yourself surrounded by supportive people and joyful moments. With each breath, feel this attraction growing stronger. Stay focused on the magnetism of positive energy. Infusing your home with positive energy with 30 seconds of focused intention. Visualize your home filled with light and joy. Positive energy transforms your space into a sanctuary of peace. With each breath, send positive energy to your home, infusing it with love and gratitude. Stay focused on the positive energy you are sending. closing with 30 seconds of deep breathing. Savor the joy and positivity this practice has brought you. Remember, by embracing positive energy, you raise your vibration and align yourself with a joyful life. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, may you stay grounded in the power of positive energy.